If you want to convert your portrait photo into normal photo on iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, I show you how. So you just need to open Photos app and open the photo. For example, I just open this photo, and at the top here you can see the new option portrait. Click that, then click portrait off. So here you can see the blurred out was cleared on this side of the photo, so it's converted into normal photo. That's it. But this is another photo, but here you doesn't see that option, portrait option, because when you take a photo, let's say I'm on portrait, if I take a picture like this, if I gently capture on this photo, you doesn't see the portrait option. You need to tap and capture the photo, then only we can convert the portrait into normal into portrait on iPhone 17. So this is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about iPhone 17, watch this playlist.